Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlogs, and as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, special invite by Fuel Fest. We're going straight to their booth up to Wild Horse Pass, which is the drag strip, and we got the ZL1 ready to go, baby. In this video, I didn't do the actual startup that I normally do when I do the cold start. It's already on right now. So either way, we're gonna make our way to Wild Horse Pass, baby. Let's get it. Well, would you look at this? I stopped in the gas station real quick, right down the street, and there's a party in here. Look at this. I got everybody up in here. Let's get it. We got to find a parking spot. All right, you guys, so we got Bumblebee, Challenger, Camaro. More cars in here. Looks sick. The lineup is sick, bro. And this is by chance. I'm just going to the gas station real quick to stop in here for a second, and I saw all these cars in here, and I was like, we pulling up, man. Shout out to the fam. You guys, check this out. So where we are right now is at the track. This is where we actually drag race here in Arizona. This is the actual strip, and I can't wait. I was just told that they're gonna be resurfacing the entire track this December, and that way it's all nice and fresh. We can hook up, all that good stuff. No excuses saying I can't hook up my wheels. I was just spinning off the line. Now it's gonna be a done deal, and this is sick too. This is like where we go in from and, you know, work your way around to the other side and all that good stuff. Usually it's a lot of cars, but we're doing a car event right now. So you guys, change of plans. We went to the wrong spot. It's over here. All right, you guys, so we're here at the event, Bear Jackson booth. They told me that I could park right in the front at this event. Let me see if I can get this. It's so bright outside. There's Superman. They told me that we could park right over here, and these are the People's Choice vehicles. Somebody here is gonna win, and whoever wins People's Choice will get to pick where they could donate to a charity, and they're gonna give $10,000 to that charity. So I'm hoping, I don't know, we'll see. We win or we don't win. Shout out to whoever donates to that charity, because that's always nice to do that. But either way, let's see what we got going on in this place. What's up, you guys? So here's another part two. We're back at it again with a good friend of mine.
Yo, what up, guys? Good morning.
What's up, Cody, bro? Hey, Cody, I had a quick question for you. I know Fuel Fest is coming up.
Yeah.
Where's the next one gonna be at?
So we're gonna be in Atlanta, and it's gonna be the first time we've ever done an Atlanta show, and that's October 19th.
Okay.
It's gonna be a good one. Atlanta's a big one, man.
Okay, October 19th. Everybody out there on that side of the map, make sure you guys get your tickets. I'm gonna link it down below, but we're also bringing it to Arizona.
Yeah, Arizona is just, oh, you put me on the spot.
December
8th?
7th.
December 7th. It's a Saturday, like it always is. It's at Wild Horse. It's at Westworld again, like it was last year. And it's fun because this is, you know, I live here now, so it's always cool to finish off the year here. It's gonna be a good time. We're at Gila River this morning for coffee and cars, and it's some great causes out here. I think there's 5 charities out here today. Reach Out Worldwide is one of them. So make sure if you're here to scan the QR codes throughout the show and vote for your favorite charity, because one of them is going to be taking $10,000 into their foundation today. So it's a really cool opportunity. It's cool to see a lot of familiar faces. It's a smaller, intimate kind of a show this morning, but yeah, it's awesome.
It's awesome, baby. Let's go.
You guys won't believe this, but we won. We won the giveaway for the charity. Look at it. Everyone is here. Wow. Super, super grateful. Look at these guys. Wow. And there it is, you guys. What a incredible weekend. I'm telling you, I was so shocked. I had no idea that I was actually gonna win $10,000 and donate that. Like, that's insane, bro. Like, I had no idea. We were just talking about it. So big shout out to Cody. Big shout out to Cody Walker, man. I appreciate that guy so much. We were just talking about it, threw it in the Instagram story and said, how cool would that be, whoever wins? And then all of a sudden, everybody out there that voted for Superman to go ahead and win that one, People's Choice Award. And then right away I said, Reach Out Worldwide. We're gonna go ahead and donate that straight to Paul Walker's charity that Cody Walker continued to run as we speak. Now, we still do got a ton of more fun stuff coming up. And I appreciate you guys. We got the ZL1 hanging out right now. Got my Pops' Escalade hanging out right now. And then we got the one I always shout out, Prep Time, when I say in the garage. That's the car right there that I'm always talking about. If you guys are brand new to the channel and you guys enjoyed today's quick, short, simple, sweet video vlog, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. How incredible was that to actually win that and donate it right away, man? I'm very grateful that I had the opportunity to do that. And thank you to everyone out there. We got another big event coming up. I'm telling you, this next one is gonna be a heater. I'm telling you, it's gonna be fire. Don't miss out, you guys. But in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. A Dilla, bow, Superman, chilling right there. Prep Time, chilling in the garage. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.